Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about the Honey Ambercomb seed in Grow Garden Game Upper Blocks BCB event update. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is how the Honey Ambercomb looks like. This is one of the plants from the BCB update in Grow a Garden, and I'm going to show you guys where you can purchase the seed. So you're going to go to the honey shop. The honey shop is here. Here is where you can buy the Honey Ambercomb. This one, guys. And if I'm not mistaken, it cost 2k honey coins. Okay, and it's kind of rare, so if you want to purchase it, you need to wait a little longer. Alright, and I'm going to go back to my garden and I'm going to show you. Oh, it's not ready to harvest yet, but this plant can give you a lot of honey coins, guys. When I harvest this pollinated Honey Ambercomb and I compress it, I got 4k honey coins. So yeah, it's really worth to buy, especially if you want to farm the honey coins. If this seed is available, I would like to recommend you to buy it as soon as possible to get more honey coins. Okay guys, and that's all about the Honey Ambercomb and Grow Garden Game Upper Blocks BCB event update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!